Welcome to Learn for Grow, your passport to effective communication and confident expression. Join our English communication series where simplicity meets impact. Subscribe now for easy, enjoyable lessons that evaluate your conversation skill. Let's make language your superpower together. Hit subscribe. Let the communication adventure begin. Hey guys, welcome back to the English language learning series. This is me Praveen. As we studying the English grammar tenses so far, we have completed the past and future tense all types, right? And today we are going to start the future tenses. Okay, in that we have covered future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense, right? These are the types of future tenses, and in this sessions we are going to discussing about the first one, that is future indefinite tense. So let's jump into the topic. We have a definition here. Let's see the definition. Future indefinite tense. The what definition says, the future indefinite tense, also known as the simple future tense, refers to action or event that will occur at some point in the future without specifying exact okay, means when it will be happen, it will not specifying exact time. Okay, it is formed by using the auxiliary verb like will, shall. Okay, will formed by the base verb, main verb form 1. This tense is used to express prediction, promises, intentions, or spontaneous discussion about the future. Okay, just keep in mind, this is the future tense. As we know, future means the activity will be happening in the future. Okay, we are going to just predicting, right? So here's future indefinite tense says, means the activity will be happen at the some time in the future, but not saying exact timing or exact date. Okay, it will be happen. Okay, this shows the future indefinite tense. This is basic rule, and here we are using helping verb shall, will. Okay, and main verb form 1. While I have given the structure, that time we can know about that. Okay, let's have one example. From example we can understand. See here, I will visit my grandmother tomorrow, means here saying it will be going, means I will visit my grandmother tomorrow, means the activity, the action will happening in future, means he only deciding he will go tomorrow to meet grandmother, right? In example, see here, I have given the explanation also. The future indefinite tense is used to indicate a future action which is visiting the speaker's grandmother. The auxiliary verb is will is used before the base form, means main verb visit, right? The sentence expresses the speaker intention or plan to visit their grandmother in future without specifying an exact time within the future. As I said, means he will visiting to grandmother tomorrow, but not saying exact time date, right? Mean future he going to meet. This is the simple example we have given here. I hope you understood. Okay, just keep in mind the activity will happening in future but not specifying exact time, right? And here we are using helping verb will and shall. I have mentioned will here, shall can be we can use, and main verb form 1 means we want, like I said, main verb form like go, went, gone. This is the go is the first main verb form, went is the second main verb form, like that only. Here we are using main verb form 1. Let's have a different form of sentences. Okay, then we can understood. As we know, affirmative sentence rule we are discussing in previous sessions, in past, present, all the 4 form of sentences. Okay, all right, in that we are going to discussing first one is affirmative sentence rule. See here, I have given the basic structure rule to form a sentence in future, that is affirmative sentence rule. See here, subject plus shall or will plus main verb form 1 plus object. This is the structure given, and here we have, as I said, here we are using helping verb is shall and will. Okay, let's have an example. From example we can understood. See here, she will read a book. Here you can observe that she is a subject based on the rule we have given the example only, right? Just compare with the rule and example. She will read a book. She is the subject, will is the auxiliary verb, read is a main verb form 1, and book is the object, obviously, right? Like that only they will go to the park. Here also there is a subject, will is the auxiliary verb, go is a main verb form 1, to the park, this is the object. Okay, now I will read the examples. Let's have a look here. He will cook dinner tonight. We will watch a movie. I will call you later. She will bake a cake. He will study for the exam. They will visit their grandparents. We will take a walk in the evening. I will clean my room. She will water the plants. He will play football. They will finish their homework. We will go shopping tomorrow. I will meet my friend for lunch. She will write a letter to her pen pal. He will fix the broken chair. They will attend the concert. We will have a picnic on Sunday. I will learn to play the guitar. Here, now we are using shall, also helping verb. She shall sing a song. They shall visit the museum. I shall write a letter. He shall clean his room. We shall go for the walk. You shall finish your homework. The dog shall fetch the ball. The student shall study for the exam. She shall bake a cake. They shall plant flower in the garden. Okay, these are the examples of a affirmative sentence rule. Okay, see here we can use both shall or will as I given based on the different situations. Okay, here we can use shall most commonly use. Okay, auxiliary verb. English, it will indicates the future tenses. Okay, it is used to subject like I, he, you, it, they, as you know. See here at the beginning we have given here, means it often used for promise, prediction, offer and spontaneous discussions as I given. Okay, and shall is a commonly used modern English word but still used to formal context only, means particular in British English we are using shall. Okay, traditional shall be used for first person pronoun. Okay, here also she means first person, she is a first person, right? Like that only. They, I, he, we, you, the, right? Like that only. Just based on the different situation we can use, just keep in that mind, and rest of things are same, means based on the whatever I have given the formula rule, based on that only we are going to forming the sentence. Okay, let's have a next one, that is negative sentence rule. Here as we know, subject plus shall or will plus not plus main verb form 1 and object. We are here using helping verb also same, shall and will. We have added additional things only, not negation. Rest of things are same. Let's have an example. She will not read a book. Okay, here also subject is a she, will is a helping verb, not negation, read is a main verb form and object. Based on the rule only I have given example. Just compare. I will now read the all examples. Okay, they will not go to the park. He will not cook dinner tonight. We will not watch a movie. I will not call you later. She will not bake a cake. He will not study for the exam. They will not visit their grandparents. We will not take a walk in the evening. I will not clean my room. She will not water the plant. He will not play football. They will not finish their homework. We will not go shopping tomorrow. I will not meet my friend for lunch. She will not write a letter to her pen pal. He will not fix the broken chair. They will not attend the concert. We will not have a picnic on Sunday. I will not learn to play the guitar. Like that, we have taken example of shall. They shall not plant flower in the garden. I shall not cook dinner tonight. He shall not repair the car. We shall not watch a movie. You shall not water the plants. The cat shall not catch the mouse. The workers shall not build a house. She shall not read a book. They shall not play a soccer. I shall not take a nap. Okay, we shall not have a picnic. Okay, based on the rule only I have taken an example. Okay, just additionally we have using not, means the every sentence is showing negation. Okay, means it was not positive example, that is negative, only denying each and everything indicating here, right? Let's have a next one, that is interrogative sentence rule. Here also, as we know, at the beginning we will take shall and will, this is helping verb, after that object and main verb form 1. Okay, sorry, first is a auxiliary verb, subject, main verb form, object, after that question mark, and helping verb also we are taken here shall and will. Okay, let's have examples. Will she read a book? Will they go to the park? See here, will is a auxiliary verb, they is a subject, go is a main verb form, and the park is the object. Okay, based on the rule only I have given, just I am remembering. Okay, just correlate with the rule whichever I have given, right? And let's have an example. Okay, now I will read the examples. Will he cook dinner tonight? Will we watch a movie? Will I call you later? Will she bake a cake? Will he study for the exam? Will they visit their grandparents? Will we take a walk in the evening? Will I clean my room? Will she water the plants? Will he play football? Will they finish their homework? Will we go shopping tomorrow? Will I meet my friend for lunch? Will she write a letter to her pen pal? Will he fix the broken chair? Will they attend the concert? Will we have a picnic on Sunday? Will I learn to play the guitar? Now take a shall examples. Shall you finish your homework? Shall the dog fetch the ball? Shall the students study for the exam? Shall she bake a cake? Shall they plant flowers in the garden? Shall I cook dinner tonight? Shall he repair the car? Shall we watch a movie? Shall you water the plants? Shall the cat catch the mouse? Okay, these are the few examples whichever I have given based on the interrogative sentence rule. I hope you understood. Let's have a last one, that is double interrogative sentence rules. As we know, only here WH family we need to add at the beginning. Rest of things are interrogative sentence rule only. Okay, and here also we have using shall and will is the helping verb, right? All right, let's have examples, guys. What will she read? Means here what is the WH family rule, and will is the helping verb, she is the subject, and main verb form is the read, right? Like that only. Where will they go? Why will he cook dinner tonight? When will we watch a movie? How will I call you later? What will she bake? What will he study for the exam? What will they visit? Where will we take a walk? How will I clean my room? What will she water? Why will he play a football? What will they finish? Where will we go shopping? When will I meet my friend? How will she write a letter? Why will he fix the chair? What will they attend? Where will we have a picnic? How will I learn a guitar? Which ball shall the dog fetch? Whose exam shall the student study for? What kind of cake shall she bake? Where shall they plant flower in the garden? Why shall I cook dinner tonight? How shall he repair the car? When shall we watch a movie? How often shall you water the plants? What types of mouse shall the cat catch? Where shall the workers build a house? Whose book whose book shall she read? These are the examples of double interrogative sentence rule. Okay, based on the rule only we have given the examples. I hope you understood. I have given the all rule like affirmative, interrogative, negative, double interrogative. This is the simple future tense. Okay, I hope you guys you understood. Okay, just read and practice. Based on the rule you can create your own sentence also. It will be very helpful for your understanding. So let's meet in a next video. Thank you for joining Learn for Growth English Communication series. If you enjoyed enhancing your language skill with us, don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for a more exciting journey into the world of effective communication. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.